Hi everybody, it's April again, your lab instructor. I just wanted to do a quick video just to welcome you guys to the discussions. This is a great way for all of you to collaborate and network together and build on each other's perspectives to gain a lot of really great information within this course. So you have 2 discussions every week. And you want to make sure that you're posting your initial discussion before midnight Mountain Time every Wednesday for full possible credit, as well as gaining the most out of the discussions. The reason being is if you post late in the week, you won't have as many responses to your post. Plus, you're not really getting the full experience out of the discussions that you can. When I was an online student for my graduate studies at Savannah College of Art and Design, I remember having discussions as well. And I kept thinking, well, this is kind of like a waste of time. Like, I'm not going to get anything out of this. But it proved to me complete opposite. When I graduated, I thought, wow, this is crazy that I thought this way, because I actually got a lot of information. It changed my mind completely. And the only really reason why it actually worked was because everybody else posted and substantially and actually participated. So, you know, it's really up to you guys, and what you put into it is what you get out of it. So the more that you participate and put your perspective in your own words and substantially post, the more you're going to get out of this. And it all relates back to what you're going to be doing as a graphic designer. So make sure that you're participating and getting those posts in. I'm going to just share my screen real quick here. There we go. And this is your first discussion for week 1. So you're going to read through all of your objectives for the class. It kind of, for your discussion, when it goes through how to post a discussion, so it's kind of what I'm telling you now, but I'm just going to do it really quickly. There's a prompt, which is the question that you're answering, and just how to go about approaching your first discussion. You know, instead of, when you respond to your peer, instead of saying, oh, that's great, I love it, you know, provide more information, be more objective about it instead of subjective. So that means instead of saying what you like about it and that's it, add on to that why. Maybe add facts onto that. You can even add images to support your perspective and what you're saying. Down below here just kind of shows you the areas in which where you'll be looking to discuss, how you'll be starting your discussion. So you're just going to hit that reply button when you get into your discussions, which we are now. And this is your panel in which you can you know, modify your discussion. So you have all of the top icons that relate to your type. You know, maybe it's bold, italic, underline, type color, and your alignment is in between there. A lot of these you really won't be working with, but you know, if you want to say emphasize certain text, you can definitely make it bold, stuff like that. So it goes on into a little bit more in detail about that, and also a 7-minute video on how to do that. So check that out. I'm just going to quickly scroll down here. Here's your actual prompt. So this is what you'll be reading to answer. Okay, so read through that very carefully. And then this is what we will be, how your instructor will be grading your discussion based upon these requirements. So make sure you're hitting upon all those requirements. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click in here and reply. See how I just clicked on there? And it gives you a little blinking cursor, and you're just going to type in hello and then go ahead with your post. This is my initial discussion post. Now you don't have to write that. I'm just showing you how this looks. But then again, if you wanted to emphasize a certain word, you can highlight it and make it bold. You can even make it bigger. Here's your point sizes here. So you can play around with that. If you wanted to attach a picture, you can click on this little clip. Looks like a little paper clip, and you can hit attach. You just need to choose your file once you get to that point, and it'll ask you where you want to choose it. Typically, you want to post like a PNG or a JPEG of an image for it to post, but that's where you would do it there. You can also embed an image, and what that means is you won't have to attach it. It'll just show up once your, let me see if I can actually embed And it's this little picture landscaped image here. So you can actually embed an image. The only thing is you have to put it in your files, so it's a little bit more, I don't know, it's a little bit more tricky. So you might want to kind of wait for that, but that's an option too. And you'll need to place it within your files, which is right up here, and it says files. Okay, once you're done writing your post, you're going to click post reply, and then when you're ready to respond to another post, just click on that response to your fellow peer. I'm going to hit cancel, and then it will respond to your fellow peers. Okay, if you have any questions, reach out to me or your instructor about your discussions. Thank you.